All right, Kendall, thank you very much. Well, the rain left many roads looking more like ponds and even some basements looking like pools.
Yes, several homes were damaged in mid-Michigan, including a house in East Lansing that was used by college students.
And tonight, they're looking for a new place to live after their basement started to collapse. Karina Prieto is here for you now live with more on the status of that house. Karina.
Sherry and Siobhan, I'm here on Lexington Avenue, and it does not look great. As you can see, there's still caution tape around this house behind me, and the students who live here tell me what started as just a few puddles turned into something they could have never imagined.
Oh, we were kind of making jokes about it at first just because nothing was really happening.
Mackenzie Wolsick and Madison and Via say their street started to flood yesterday. They say the water got up to the second step on their porch. When they went down to their finished basement, there were just a few puddles.
So we grabbed all of our towels, ran out of towels.
Even still, they didn't think they had much to worry about until
Baseboard collapsed out, and so water was rushing in, and then the wall caved in half.
The students say cement blocks even started to come out, and the basement flooded up to the top of the steps. Fortunately, all the roommates were okay, but after calling the fire department, it was clear the house was a different story.
They came and they told us that we weren't allowed in the house at all after yesterday.
In this video, you can see people wading through the water, doing their best to recover whatever they can. Even though the students re-signed their lease for the coming school year, they are now looking for a new home. Just around the corner, a basement flooded so badly the carpet technician tells me they removed 750 gallons of water.
With the storms yesterday, we have gotten probably about 8 phone calls so far for water extractions, like the location here.
He says flooding is a big issue in East Lansing, and most calls are having to do with foundation issues caused by the rain.
Biggest thing is when storms like this come, definitely make sure your septic tank has a water alarm.
The alarm will make a loud noise when it detects water above a certain level, and it could be the difference between saving and losing a home.
That technician went on to say that these alarms can help the crew get to the scene quicker so water isn't sitting for a long period of time. Here for you live in East Lansing, Karina Prieto, 6 News.